Hello, everyone. Look, Jeff's cooking Johnsonville brats. Cooking them in here. Too cold outside. Yep, gotta cook them in the air fryer. Yep, got this delivered by Walmart today. Little grocery delivery today from Walmart. Yep. So I don't know if anybody else has grocery delivery or not, but I get mine through Walmart because you never know. I might want to buy some long johns to wear to be outside cooking my Johnsonville brats. So let's get this going. Oh, what the? Oh, there's a piece of tape on my knife. Okay. I don't know what my brother's gonna have. He said he wanted bacon lettuce tomato sandwich, but I says, well, I'm having Johnsonville brats. Hang on. Well, there we go. A couple of Johnsonville brats going in the air fryer. Yep. Oh. No, that's not what I want. That should be the light. There we go. In you go, little Johnsonville brats. Now the neighbors aren't going to know I'm cooking Johnsonville brats because I'm cooking them inside. Side. Oh, I'm just being funny. Let's go 12 minutes. There we go. We'll go 12 minutes. My brother can cook his own dinner. I'll just put the other ones in the freezer. I got a little bit of coleslaw and fruit salad from yesterday's dinner, which was New York strip steaks that I had last night. Yep. So I'm just having something simple tonight. Well, there you go, everyone. Having Johnsonville brats. Hope you're having something good for dinner tonight. Everyone out there in YouTube land. Yep. Probably having something better than Johnsonville brats. I can hardly wait for when we get to do spring ahead so I can start cooking it outside again. Yeah, about 50 days from now, spring ahead, March 9th. Yep. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching food reviews, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.